Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapi and today I'm going to show you my skincare haul for this month. And yeah, this is going to be long. I mean, kind of long. So yeah, let's start with this Nivea body milk. This is not for me, this is for my father. He loves Nivea. He doesn't use anything except Nivea for his skin. He has pretty good skin though. It's a very big one, big bottle. I got this from Amazon. They gave this very heavy discount. Sorry, I got this I think for only 250 and I got like 600 ml. So yeah. So up next I have this coconut oil from Max Care and I use this for my entire body except face and hair sometimes. The quality is decent and I love this coconut oil for my body and hair. So yeah, good stuff. Up next I got this Excella Cipla moisturizer and you know I love moisturizer and I got so many moisturizers. See, I got this Cosrx honey moisturizer, sleeping mask. Then I have this rice moisturizer sleeping mask. So do I need this many moisturizers? No, obviously no, but I love buying moisturizers. And what I do, I keep on reapplying moisturizer throughout the day. So yeah, I need a ton. And I got on Cica cream as well. Wait, actually I got two Cica creams and this is from Claire's. Their Midnight Blue calming cream and another cream I got from Bioderma. It is here. I prefer this one because it works better for me. I just got this too because I had been using this for long time, so I wanted to try something different. Though I tried this before, but I have not used this quite a while and I saw it was back in stock, so I was like, let's grab it before it gets out of stock. And I'm telling you, this panic buying is a very bad thing because we tend to buy so many things because we think, okay, it's gonna get out of stock or there is this big sale. Not a good thing, but I do a lot panic buying, so I try to check there. So next I got this Safa hair oil and you know me, I love this one. Their black seed oil and I get this every month for my hair and scalp. Another Korean product I got is from Purito. It is their Galactomyces Power Essence and yeah, this is good. It has I think 5% niacinamide and 92% galactomyces. And I should tell you one thing. Should I tell you? Okay, let me tell you. So Purito, they have contacted me. They want me to review one product for them. I got really excited when I got this email from Purito, but I have not replied their email yet because as you know that I don't do paid reviews and I don't take even free products from brands. But I really want to work with Purito because I love their products, like some of their products, not all the products. So I might accept that their products really worked for my skin and I have this soft corner for this brand, so I might do that. Not sure, but yeah, it is not this product, it is their new launch. I don't know, I have not replied their email yet. I received it yesterday, the email. I was so excited. I told my husband that, okay, see, Purito reached out to me. He's like, hey. He doesn't know what Purito is. Still, he's so happy always for me. Like, he sees me happy and he becomes happy. So yeah, there are many other brands who reach out to me. Can I tell you the names? I don't know if it is okay to do that on YouTube. Mamaearth reached out to me. They reached out through some PR I think on Insta. So anyway, I got this minimalist Alpha-Arbutin. Actually, I received this 1 week back. I have started using this as well. This is their Alpha-Arbutin. I repurchased their salicylic acid as well because it has been working really well for me. And I'm gonna review this Alpha-Arbutin and their niacinamide 5% together. I also placed order for their vitamin C serum and one peptide serum. They have, I think, doing this pre-order thing. They're gonna ship the orders on 12th of November. And vitamin C actually doesn't go well that much on my skin or with my skin, but I'm hopeful. They are using acetyl glucoside and I think what was the form of vitamin C, I forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna do the review. So up next I have this Bioderma Sensibio H2O. So I love this niacinamide, no, micellar water. Actually I buy this big bottle. I don't know why I bought this small one. I think I did it by mistake. I was supposed to buy the big bottle. And yeah, another thing that Bioderma even reached out to me. They wanted me to make one video using their products and they wanted to use it for their channel or Insta. But I have not replied them. Should I do this, like, taking products for free? It doesn't seem right, because if I love a brand then I should support them by paying like for the products, right? And when I love a brand and they approach me, so is that okay to take the offer? Because I already love the brand. I really didn't think that brands would even approach me, because my channel is not that big, it is still growing, and my Insta account is not that popular. I mean, not at all popular. I don't post there much, so I'm very surprised that they're even considering me. You get so many offers, then you turn them down, then you think, you tend to rethink, am I doing this okay? Should I do this? I don't know. Let me know, because my judgment, I think, being clouded with all these offers or whatever you call it, opportunities. So yeah. So next I got Namax D gel, and I got 3 of this because I get this product from Click on Care, and Click on Care, they have this very bad thing. They charge for COT and they charge for even shipping, I think. So this is why I have to pay extra, and this is so bad. So what I do, I bulk buy. when I'm ordering something, I get like 2 or 3 or 4 units, because I don't want to pay for shipping every time I place one order. So this is a very bad thing with Click on Care, and I don't know where else to buy this Namax from. Okay, so up next I have this Recoil shampoo, and I even repurchased this The Body Shop Shea Butter hair mask. It is very good. Even I ordered their shea butter, like their raw shea butter. And what else? I got this silk pillowcase from this brand. This is Minimal Co. I found them on Amazon, and there are many other pillow covers, like silk pillow covers, but they were very cheap and didn't look authentic. So that's what I found, like I could trust, and the quality is not bad. I have not started using this yet, to be very honest, but you can get any good quality silk pillow cover, and this is Mulberry silk. Honestly, I don't know anything about silk, and I'm going to use this for 1 month and I will let you know. This is very, very expensive. I paid 1,900 for this. Actually, it retails around 3,000 almost, and I got discount. So this is actually expensive, and I don't have any idea about the prices of silk. So let me know what you think about this, and where do you buy your silk pillow covers, because this is actually very expensive. Okay, so the last thing is Cosrx Null Mucin Essence, and it is very good. I have used one already. I have the second bottle. This is my third bottle, because this product is almost always out of stock, and that's why I did the panic purchase, because this is almost always out of stock, and this is actually a very good product. I'm gonna review this soon, I think in 2 or 3 days, because this is long overdue. And yeah, that's all I have for now, and I have ordered few more products. I think I'm yet to receive, and do let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.